Today I'd like to show you the Naviate copy corridor command. With the Naviate's copy corridor, you can also copy, merge, and split your corridors all within the same command. Simply by going up to the copy corridor in the Naviate main ribbon and selecting the corridor that you'd like, you can see that you can come through and choose the source of the corridors. You can also choose the regions and baselines that you would like to move, copy, or split to your target corridors. Today I'm simply going to come through and choose the phase 2 corridors and merge all of them together into the site corridor. Once that's completed, you can see that now we have one completed corridor, all with the simple click of a button. We can also then come through and split out specific regions of those corridors. Let's choose Road C and put it into an own new corridor. Make sure you check out all of our other Naviate tools.